Hi, I'm Adam Mattis with Sterling Machinery Exchange here in South El Monte, California, with over 2,000 new and used machine tools in stock, such as press brakes, shears, lathes, grinders, iron workers, and much more. Today we're going to show you a nice heavy-duty engine lathe. This is a Lathe Shipley. This will swing 24 inches by 150 inches. This machine comes with a quick change tool post, a couple of tool holders, has a nice taper attachment back there. You got a steady rest, follow rest, a 4-jaw chuck. And we've gone through this machine, everything's fully functional and ready to go. We'll go ahead and show you a few different speed changes, as well as the feeding and the threading of the machine. So now you can see we've turned the chuck on. We have the threading screw moving right now. Here's your threading and gauge. You can see we're turning now. There's a very nice, quick and easy system here. Here's for your cross feed. And there's the feeding motion. And here is threading in reverse. We'll go ahead and stop the machine. You can stop it from either that handle or this handle over here. You can see the chuck immediately stops, so the brake's working as well. And we'll go ahead and change it to a little bit higher speed. All the speed changes here on this chart. There's a few handles here. Basically, you just go through each of the different angles of the handles, and that'll give you the different speeds on the chart. It'll go from 21 all the way up to 1,073. Well, here's 1,154. Check the chart on the website, and you'll see the exact speed ranges. But right now, we're in a higher speed, as you can see. And again, the brake stopped it. Back to the slower speed. If you're interested in this lathe or any other lathe, we carry many different sizes, from 1340s all the way up to 300-inch lathes, new and used. Give us a call, 626-444-0311. You can check out our website at sterlingmachinery.com.
Sterling Machinery sells all types of metalworking, fabricating, and chip-making machinery, such as lathes, metal shears, press brakes, punch presses, punches, grinders, milling machines, saws, plate rolls, iron workers, inspection equipment, welders, and much more. Sterling Machinery is one of the largest stocking dealers of new and used machine tools in the United States. You can view over 2,000 machine tools available for inspection on our floor or visit www.sterlingmachinery.com to view all machine specifications, photos, videos, prices, and buyer's guides for all types of equipment. If you can't find the machine you're looking for, please give us a call at 626-444-0311 and our educated staff can find the right machine for you. Do you have surplus equipment for sale? From one machine to entire shops, Sterling Machinery buys all types of equipment. Please contact us today. Thank you, and we hope to see you soon. To view more helpful videos along with how-to videos and machinery for sale, please visit www.machinerytube.com, the web's premier machinery video site.